Good day to my supervisor and examiner. My name is Tie Ngie Poh. ID number is 50269. Through this video, I will present my final year project topic, UNIMAS Carpool mobile application. The first come to the introduction. What is the carpool? The carpool means more than one person to share a car right along the journey. With the cars now easy to get to, compete for parking space and traffic congestion are the problem for drivers every day. A press report that Malaysia is the third highest rate of car ownership in the world, which means 93% of Malaysian households have at least one car. To solve the car congestion, carpooling gives the chance to share the car and ride with others by filling the empty seat. It saves the cost and reduces the traffic vehicle on the road. By the way, it's able to reduce air pollution to our environment. But part of people would not consider about carpool because the top reason is privacy and safety. No one willing to take a ride with stranger, and no one could promise the passenger safety. The reason is the passenger don't know who is the next person share the ride with them. In addition, people know about someone is offering the carpool service. How to know who is willing to share the ride with them? Let's come to the problem statement. As I say just now, the car now easy to get to. Every household have at least one car, some even more than one. But it is also same with university students. Number of students growing rapidly in every year. It increased the number of vehicles in campus, but parking space remains same. Day after day, parking space is insufficient for UNIMAS staff and students, especially some special event days. The increase of vehicle caused the traffic flow in campus getting worse. For now, there's no platform to promote carpool in UNIMAS. That's why carpool platform is needed to implement in UNIMAS. The next come to the objective. First is to increase the vehicle utilization of among the university students. Then the second is to ease the exchange of car sharing carpool information among university students to reduce carbon emission by decrease the number of vehicles in the campus. The next is significance of project. The intention of this project is to develop a mobile platform and bring advantages to UNIMAS and the student. It is a platform for encourage UNIMAS students share the rights to campus. Number of vehicles in campus are decreased and improve the traffic flow in UNIMAS. With carpooling, students or visitors are more easily to find parking slot. Thus, it encourages people make friends with others. Methodology. In this proposal system, I'm using the modified waterfall model. The methodology they use to develop carpool application platform is waterfall model. The, the four phases in modified waterfall model, which are requirement definition, system and software design, integration and system testing, result analysis and documentation. However, the last two phases are modified to system testing and verification and result analysis and documentation. Reason is integration and the maintenance are not necessary for this project. The next come to the implementation. System components are used to develop the proposed system are needed to configure and install properly to ensure all the functionality of the proposal system are function well to complete the implementation of the system. For the front-end development of the system, the proposed system is present in the Android mobile platform for mobile user. Meanwhile, Android Studio are used to developing the proposed system. For the back-end development of this system, application programmable interface, we call it API service, are designed and developed by using Firebase that act as the intermediate to connect the mobile application with the CRUD server. Now I will introduce what module in UNIMAS Carpool mobile application. So I will describe it. The first one is register and login. So as you know, for the new user, they must go to this page to register themselves. They can register as passenger or driver. After done the register, they can proceed to login page with ID and password. The next come to the home page. After login, they will automatically access to the home page. Home page is the page for passenger or driver to create their own journey or route. Profile page. Profile page, it will show the user information page. So in this page, user only can modify the profile picture. The next come to the journey and route. This page will list those journey and route created. So as passenger view, they will show the driver route offer. So as driver view, they will show the passenger journey offer. So come to the passenger list. The main features of the application, whoever passenger sit in the driver route, others passenger will know who is in the car. It will give the option to passenger whether want to select this trip or not. Okay. The last one is the history we read. After the journey time pass, the journey record will categorize to the history. User can check the previous history record and also read of them. Testing method. So developer were using test case with set of conditions to determine whether fulfill the requirement or workable appropriately. In case of test result does not meet the application requirement, the debugging process will proceed in order for the testing to yield the desired outcome. So next we will proceed to the demonstration of prototype session. So I will show you the apps. Okay, thank you. So now we come to the demonstration of prototype part. So here is the apps. So okay, we can click double tap in. So this is come to the login page actually. So as the new user, you can proceed to the register because if you didn't register, you cannot access the mobile apps. First come to the register, then the system will ask you want to register as passenger or driver, and so we can testing with register a driver. Okay, so first is upload a profile picture. So here we will upload randomly the picture randomly. Then UNIMAS ID. The UNIMAS ID, of course, we will request the real ID. So here I put 0502999 full name, I think of my phone number, and the password. The system will request you must key in the password with six digit or alphabet, or you also can key in the miss digit alphabet. Let's say I key in one. Yes, it will give out a pop-up message must more than 6 digit or alphabet, and I can put A B C 1 2 3 4 5 6 also can. And here you have as a driver you have to key in your car plate number. Let's say SA, and then the vehicle model, Asia, then how how many seats you can offer. So depends on the driver. So maybe the Asia little car, tiny car, you can set 3 seats. Then your faculty, then your gender, and here you have to upload the personal IC. So this is for the secure purpose lah. So I upload the random picture, and this is a student card. So the user cannot enter the unused UNIMAS ID. Then so the admin can check through the the student ID is true or not through the student card. Maybe I just put a random picture. And the next one is a driving lesson. Driving lesson, this one is only for driver. So as a driver, they can do, this is compulsory for driver lah. So this is the random. Then you can check all is uploaded, all is key in. If let's say the profile picture, you say you don't want to upload profile picture, can or not cannot. This is all is compulsory. You have to upload full information. Okay, then you click submit. Then you have to wait. Sometimes the uploading time will be, have to wait around 1 minute lah. Okay, register successfully. So now let's say I go to the register, I go to login 50299, and the password is ABC12345 Okay, so I log in as driver. Okay, yes, so now it's coming to the journey page. So you go to this, you can sort it. Here got homepage, profile, journey, history, contacts, and logout. So as in the homepage, you can, as a driver, of course, you can add a route, your driver route you want, you will go to where. So you can fill in the going time, return time, from to. Okay, so I do a testing with keying some data, maybe this morning return time. Okay, the return time is optional. Maybe some of the driver or maybe some of passenger, they just only want to go to some place, is only one-way trip. So the return time is optional. There's no compulsory. You have to fill in the return time from, maybe from Unique Garden, around 10. Then two you can select UNIMAS SIT. Okay. Then you select the when you start to this. Maybe you select the Monday. Trip per charge. This is depend on the driver themselves. You want to offer one person. This one person 3 ringgit also can. Depends on you. Maybe you put 4. Then reference, you can write any information you want to tell to the passenger. Let's say you say let's say I can fetch to that's it. Then you can click save. Set successfully. Then you can go to the profile. Let's say here is the profile. Then you can only change the phone number. Let's say I want to change to this one. You just click the modify and save. Profile picture also can in the profile page, you can only change the profile picture and the phone number, because these two data it will change time by time. So okay, so you can just modify and save. Update successfully. So go back and check, the phone number is changed already. And come to a journey. Journey is this is the passenger journey, which is the other passenger that are request to go to, that are request this journey. So maybe if you as a driver, you want to do some, earn some money, you can check which journey is convenient to you. Maybe you say, oh, maybe tomorrow I'm free, or what else, maybe this one, maybe okay, this Thursday 18 January I'm free, okay, but you have to send him from Guantai hostel to the UNIMAS FRST, okay, then you will saw the you will see the going time, return time, and the information. Okay, so here have some small features is the GPS. GPS is you just in case you want to inform the passenger you where is your location, or maybe you arrive to where, you can tap it, but it requests you to open the GPS. Okay, and you can tap it. Okay, so this is, so it will send the location through the SMS. Okay, and the next one is call passenger, because the passenger already registered with one phone number, so you can directly, you will direct to the phone call page. Of course, it is also same for the SMS passenger. You can tell him any information you want to let him know. Okay, and then this is the rating features. So if anything, previous driver give the comment to this passenger, or you can see the name, or you can see the comment and the star you want to give, how many star to this passenger. So okay, so if you don't want, you just click the cross. Okay, then if you, maybe you can check this, or please be on time. Okay, so if you see this journey, you can do it, then you can click the OK. Okay, the journey is just deleted lah, so you can't see the journey again. Okay. Then this is the history. Okay, because the history page only show the record when the journey, the route record time is passed. Maybe you set the journey is tomorrow, so the record only show after the tomorrow lah. Okay, this is the contact. This is nothing, just for showing. Then we log out. Now I go to the passenger, I log in as passenger. So I used one of the testing data, testing ID. This one I also put PC 23456. Okay, I log in with passenger. Okay, this is the what passenger will see. This is of this all route is offered by driver. So you can see so many driver that are offered. So you can choose lah. Okay, and I go to the home page. So the same thing you can do by the passenger is going time. Maybe you offer, this time you offer 7:30, you want to go to the class, and return time. Okay, this time I didn't fill the return time. Okay, then from you want to go to where, maybe early morning you want to from this one, you around 12 2A, then 2, maybe you want to UNIMAS. Okay, then set the date. Maybe you set the date on tomorrow. Then passenger you can write any information. Maybe you can write person. Okay, then click save. Then it will inform you save successfully. Then of course this is also same lah. You can only change your phone number, your profile picture. Then the next come to the journey, this driver route page. Okay, so as you can see, you can see the route offered by the driver. So you can see the point to point and the seat available. So I choose the one. Yes, so you can see more details to the you can see more driver details. You can see gender, car plate number, seat available, car model, though you want to go from where to where, time, and the command and the reference. So of course this GPS is also same function. You can as passenger you can tell the driver, oh, where am I now, and you can call the driver, and you can SMS to the driver. Of course, if you clear all the history, you can SMS to the driver, and this is the important features lah. So you can see the passenger list. Now this is test by me just now. So as passenger, so passenger will see who is in this driver car. So maybe you can saw that, oh, Joshua, I think is I think is male in the car. So if you as a female, you can consider it, because some female don't want to share a ride with the male. So depends on the passenger lah. This is also a security features to protect the passenger. Okay. So you can see this is cannot. Okay, so if you don't want, you just click it. Okay. If you found that you cannot click the choose button, which means the system told you, which means you already offer in the car, so you cannot offer again, you cannot accept again. Okay, you only accept the others. Maybe this one. Okay, got any passenger? Or Jamie Wong. If as a female, you see, oh, Jamie Wong should be a female. If you okay with that, okay, you can call. Okay. So of course, as passenger, you also don't have a history at the moment. Okay. So and after you done, you can log out. Okay. So that's all for me. All of the demonstration. So thank you. Okay, so just now I have some mistake explanation. Is about when a passenger they go to the route page, you will show you cannot click the confirm again. Okay, it is because the system only allow you to accept one route. You cannot accept two route, which means this passenger already sit in this car. okay, he already sit in this car, so he cannot choose the others route anymore. Okay, so this is the system setting. So for my side, I just don't want the people maybe they accept many routes. Okay, so that's my correction. And now we proceed to the can log out. Now we proceed to the database. So because of using Firebase as database, so I can easily accept with the Android phone. So after you log in, this is the Firebase database is the real-time database. So when you update any database in the application, it will directly link to this real-time database. So you can check what you can see on at this console here. First, you can go to the Firestore database. This is all the user when they register, all the data are submit to here. Okay, all the data will submit to here. Then this is all the user information. You can click either one. You can know, oh, this is Mr. Gerald Lin, and you can, if you want to check the user upload what image, you can, the admin can search this URL to know what user uploaded just now. Okay, this is the user uploaded. You can, as an administrator, you can easily check from the back end. Then now we go to the real-time database. So real-time database, as the meaning is the real time. So everything you uploaded, everything you register, or it will upload to here. Okay, then let's come to the storage. Storage is whatever it will all categorize to the different group. If the driving license, all the driving license will upload to here. You can easily check it, the driving license is correct or not. The IC, the user profile picture. Okay. So here is the authentication. All the user ID, it will automatically generate as UNIMAS SISWA email, and this actually you can help user to reset the password if the user feedback that he or she forget the password, then as an administrator you can help him to reset the password. Okay, so that's all for my database and the mobile application demonstration. So thank you for your watching. Thank you.